Video testimonials can play a powerful role in reputation marketing. If you're an agency and you're watching this and you're looking to differentiate yourself from the other agencies down the road who go, I do reputation marketing too. I'll capture those written reviews and post them on Facebook and Google my business. Adding video testimonial capture to a reputation marketing plan is a complete game changer. And I'm not talking about just the differentiation between the agency down the street. I'm talking about the differentiation for your customer. Let's say your customer is a dentist. They're competing with the other dental practice in the same area. Potential patient is searching for a new dentist in the area. They've created FAQ videos that you've added to their video chatbot on their website via our unlimited white level program, because we give you a video chatbot. But you took that video and you added it to their YouTube channel, to your client's YouTube channel. And you optimized it for, let's say, Chicago, Illinois dentist, or a long tail keyword that's filling needs replaced, dentist practice, Chicago, Illinois. Long tail, that's the way to go, by the way. If you've optimized that video for search on Google in their YouTube channel, when that prospect, or let's say that patient, searches that, the odds that video page 1 are super high. And it's going to differentiate your customer from the competition down the road. So if you're looking to level up your reputation marketing offering for your customer, and obviously in that same vein, earn additional revenue because you can charge more for that. In fact, if you haven't heard of it, we actually have a video marketing 100K challenge where we're going to show you how to actually add 100K in recurring revenue annually to your bottom line by following our 100K challenge. It's super fantastic. Make sure you check it out. So if you need help with that, let us know. Send us an email, or if you want to sign up and actually add video marketing services, go ahead and click the link, sign up, and get your white label established, and you'll have all those tools at your fingertips. It's pretty amazing. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about anything, drop it in the comments. Would love to hear from you. And thanks for watching the video.